Today I am going to tell you about N8N versus Buildship. N8N is a workflow automation platform designed for users who want to automate tasks, API integrations, and business processes using a simple no-code/low-code drag and drop interface. With support for over 350 pre-built integrations, it allows users to easily connect different services and streamline workflows. Being open source, N8N offers flexible deployment options, including self-hosted and cloud-based setups. It is highly customizable with JavaScript, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced users who want to automate repetitive tasks efficiently. In contrast, Buildship is a workflow automation and deployment tool primarily focused on DevOps and cloud infrastructure automation. Unlike N8N, Buildship is tailored for SIG pipelines, cloud deployments, and infrastructure as code workflows. It provides a web-based interface with support for scripting using YAML and APIs, making it more suitable for technical users familiar with DevOps practices. While Buildship offers deep integration with cloud platforms and SIG tools, it is a proprietary solution and does not provide a self-hosted option like N8N. Due to its DevOps-oriented nature, Buildship has a moderate learning curve, requiring users to have some experience with cloud automation and deployment workflows.